The allure of chrome, the roar of an engine from a bygone era, classic cars are not just vehicles, they're treasures that defy time. But before you dive into the world of vintage steel, there are a few key points to steer through. First up, the make. A classic car's value is often anchored in the reputation of its manufacturer. Enthusiasts rave about brands like Ferrari, Ford, and Chevrolet, which have stood the test of time. But don't overlook the elegance of a Jaguar, the rarity of a Duesenberg, or the Italian flair of an Alfa Romeo. These names carry a legacy from the golden age of automobiles, the mid-20th century, and they're the ones that often rev collectors' hearts. Equally crucial is the model and its year. Certain production cycles have become icons, etching their names into the annals of automotive history. The year 1969, for instance, is often hailed as the zenith of classic cars, birthing legends like the Chevy Camaro, Ford Mustang, and Pontiac GTO. And let's not forget the timeless designs that Audi introduced during this period. Each model has its own story, its own following, and its own unique appeal. Now let's talk numbers. The price tag on a classic car can swing wildly, influenced by its condition, rarity, and market demand. Hunting for a collectible below market value could mean a significant return on investment as time rolls on. Yet, sometimes, paying a premium up front can save you a fortune in future maintenance. Remember, set a budget, stick to it, and never bid more than what makes sense for your financial lane. In the end, purchasing a classic car is about finding a piece of history that resonates with you. It's a personal journey, one that requires patience, research, and a bit of soul-searching. Whether it's the sleek lines of a 60s sports car or the rugged charm of an antique roadster, make sure it's a classic that you'll be proud to call your own. Because when you turn the key and hear that engine purr, it's not just about the drive, it's about the dream.